freeze at networking events, heart racing, words gone? In the next 20 minutes, we'll give you exact lines to start conversations now.
Even if you're a beginner, you'll learn simple, powerful sentences to introduce yourself, keep small talk flowing, and exit gracefully, without feeling awkward.
Stay to the end for a 30-second confidence routine you can use right before any event.
Ready to speak English confidently tonight?
Welcome to Hello English Lab. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James. Today you'll get 4 takeaways from this video. Number 1, a 1-sentence self-intro template. 2, icebreaker lines that feel natural. Number 3, a mini elevator pitch you can personalize. 4, follow-up and exit lines that sound professional.
This is beginner-friendly and still useful if you're intermediate. Speak with us. Repeat out loud.
If practical English like this helps you, tap like so more learners find it. Ready? Let's warm up.
Stand or sit tall. Shoulders down, chin level. Breathe in for 4, hold 2, out for 6. Ready? In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now your first safe words. Repeat after me, quietly if you need. Hi. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm your name. What brought you here?
Good. You're already speaking.
When anxiety spikes, use a bridge sentence. It buys time and sounds natural.
Give me a second. I'm taking this all in. Give me a second. I'm taking this all in. Could you repeat that? I want to catch every word. Interesting. Tell me more about that. That's new to me. How does it work? I'm still learning the jargon. What does term mean?
Now your reset questions. These restart the conversation.
What brought you to this event? What are you working on this month? Which talk are you excited about? How did you get into this field? What's been your biggest challenge recently?
Pause and repeat your 3 favorites. Say them out loud. Then comment your favorite line below to remember it.
Now, let's look at self-introduction templates at an event. Keep it short. Here's the base beginner template. Hi, I'm name. I do learn, work in area. I'm here to goal. Now, let's put it in a practical example. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm learning data analysis. I'm here to meet mentors. Hi, I'm Lewis. I work in marketing. I'm here to find partners. Hi, I'm May. I teach English online. I'm here to learn about EdTech tools. Now, the intermediate template with a value hook. Hi, I'm Name. I help audience achieve results using method or specialty. I'm here to goal.
Here are some examples. Hi, I'm Ravi. I help small shops sell more online using local SEO. I'm here to connect with founders. Hi, I'm Nora. I help HR teams hire faster with AI screening. I'm here to learn best practices.
Now let's look at some icebreakers that don't feel awkward.
Is this your first time at this event? Which speaker are you here for? I love that last talk. What did you think?
Let's look at a few more. This venue is great. Have you been here before? The coffee line is long. What do you recommend? I like your badge holder. Where did you get it? Now, let's look at a full example between an attendee and a presenter at an event. Let's assume you are the attendee and one of us is the presenter. Listen first, then repeat after. Are you ready? Let's go.
James. Hi, I'm James. I work in UX research. What brought you here?
Nice to meet you, James. I'm Sarah, first time here. I want to meet product folks.
Great. Which products do you follow?
Lately, productivity tools. You?
Same. Did you catch the keynote?
Not yet. Was it good?
Solid. I'll share my notes if you want.
I'd love that. Rewind and shadow James's first line, then shadow mine. Do it 3 times.
Great. Now, let's move from small talk to real talk. Where are you based? What do you do? How long have you been in this field?
What problem are you focused on right now? What's working well for you this quarter? What skill are you trying to improve?
Would a warm intro to blank help? I have a checklist or template on that. Want it? We're hosting a small Zoom roundtable. Interested?
One good thing you want to learn is active listening when at an event. This means that during a conversation, you want to let the speaker know that you understand the direction of the conversation. You can easily do this by pitching in words like,
Got it. Makes sense. That's interesting. Tell me more. What happened next?
try this with natural interest. That's interesting. What happened next? I see. How did you handle that? Wow, what did you learn?
Practice with a friend. One asks a level 1 question, then level 2, then level 3. Switch roles.
Now, let's look at a 20-second elevator pitch. I want you to focus on the format here. I'm name, a role, I help, audience, result. Right now, I'm working on project. I'm looking to goal. Let's look at an example.
I'm Layla, a front-end developer. I help startups launch fast. I'm building a design system. I'm looking to meet product managers.
I'm Marco, a sales associate. I help local shops grow online. I'm testing short form ads. I'm looking for small business owners. Okay, let's take another example. This time we will be using an evidence-based format. I want you to pay attention to the difference here. Here's the template. I'm name, role. Recently, I result, metric. I'm exploring topic. If you're into topic, I'd love to connect.
I'm Rena, content lead. Recently, I grew organic traffic by 120%. I'm exploring AI summaries. If you're into SEO or AI, let's connect.
I'm Tom, ops manager. I cut costs by 18% with process mapping. I'm exploring automation. If that's your thing, say hi. Remember to always smile at a business function. It's always about the energy and you want to keep it positive. Now let's look at some polite clarification phrases. These phrases are used to clarify accents, talking speed, and repetition. Are you ready?
Could you say that a little slower? One more time, please. I want to get it right. Did you say X? How do you spell your name? Can I record that on my phone notes?
Notice the tone, friendly, confident. You're not apologizing for learning, you're owning clarity. Try with a smile. Could you say that a little slower? Did you say C-A-R-A?
Let's do a quick role play. Both of us. James.
Hi, I'm James, and your name is
Sarah.
Syra. Did I say that right?
Perfect.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. What brought you here?
Great. Notice how free-flowing the discussion is without any hitches. You can do this by making use of the ACE loop. Acknowledge, connect, expand. This is best for keeping the conversation alive.
Use the ACE loop to keep momentum. Acknowledge, that's interesting. Connect, I had something similar. Expand, how did you solve that?
Here's another example using the ACE loop. Acknowledge, we're switching CRMs. Connect, that's interesting. I migrated last year. Engage, how are you handling data cleanup? Choose one ACE line and write it on a sticky note for your next event. Now, let's examine some graceful exit lines. These are phrases you use when you want to leave a meeting on a high note. Here are some examples. I don't want to keep you from meeting others. Great chatting with you. Shall we connect on LinkedIn and continue later? I'm gonna grab water. Hope to see you again tonight. Thanks for the insights. I'll send the resource we mentioned.
In some cases, you can choose to use an exit and follow-up method. Example, I'll send my notes from the keynote. What's your best email? Let's connect on LinkedIn now. How do you spell your name?
Consider this typical example. Great chatting, Maya. I don't want to keep you. Shall we connect on LinkedIn? Sure. Maya Chin. Got it. I'll send the AI summary we discussed. Thanks. Talk soon.
Now, let's assume you want to follow up after a meeting on LinkedIn. Here's a template to use. Great to meet you at event. I enjoyed our chat about topic. Here's the resource or notes I mentioned. If you're open to it, I'd love a 10-minute call next week to swap ideas.
Another example follow-up message by email or phone call. Nice meeting you at event. Hi name, great to meet you yesterday. Your point about topic was helpful. As promised, here's the resource. If useful, happy to introduce you to contact. Would a brief call next Tuesday or Wednesday work?
Here's a short template and quick example. Hi name, your tip on topic helped. Quick update. Result. Thanks again. Great to meet you at event. I enjoyed our chat about topic. Here's the resource I mentioned. Would a quick call next week work?
So, no more freezing at networking events. You've learned how to start conversations, how to keep them flowing, and how to sound confident in English even when you're nervous. But remember, confidence grows with practice, not theory. Every handshake, every hello, every short chat you have is another step toward fluency and success.
If this video helped you, take action right now. Like this video so we can keep creating lessons that actually help. Subscribe to Hello English Lab and turn on the bell icon so you never miss practical tips you can use in real life. And in the comments, tell us, what's the hardest part about speaking English at events? We'll respond and maybe even use your question in our next video. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep showing up and speaking up. This is your time to connect, to grow, and to shine in every conversation. See you in the next lesson, where your English gets better and your confidence grows stronger.